Good job. I highly recommend.
Just a very fine job, and I'm
We'll
very
come out,
pleased.
give you a free estimate, and make you another happy customer.
They have a lot of integrity, great service.
We're very pleased with the service given to us by Champion Plumbing.
Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing.
I just had Champion Plumbing do work for me, and the service and the quality was outstanding.
I really appreciate the professionalism of your service.
And he gave us a fair price. I recommend him very highly.
I really appreciate it.
That's
Thanks for
right,
coming out on a Saturday.
I highly recommend him for any kind of plumbing work that you need to be done.
Came on time, finished the job, everything was fantastic.
Very much for doing a terrific job.
Give us a call.